Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving my client's old wig a total makeover by replacing the closure. Yes, it is time to slay on a budget. So guys, if you are seeing my video for the very first time, you are very much welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, you are also welcome. So I started off by measuring my closure net, folding it into two parts in order for me to get the middle part. Then I clip it down on my mannequin head. Then I'm going to start ventilating a fresh new closure. It takes a bit of patience, but it's worth it. Then at the end of the day, you're going to see how neat and fine the closure is going to come out. So guys, I'm done with the ventilating. I'm done with the new closure that I just ventilated. So it is time to fix our closure to the wig. This is how the old closure is looking. This is how it was looking. Then this is the new one. See how fine it is. See how beautiful it is. Now I'm going to be attaching the closure carefully, stitching it right into the wig cap to make it look seamless. And for the fun part, I'm not going to be styling this hair after fixing the closure to it, because she didn't ask me to style it. After watching this video and you feel like to make something like this for yourself and you want to style it, a little hot comb and a little mousse is going to be okay for your styling. And here you have it, our brand new closure fixed to our old wigs in minutes. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye.